Ando bien cruda, okay. Pero I'm ready to see this shit because he low-key ended up finishing the whole rear end, and now we're gonna do the front suspension. Look at this shit. It looks fucking badass. Look at the coilovers. No mames. And then pues esto pintado, pero creo que eso es aceite, güey. That's on it. The aceite they had add. There's the other coilover. That shit looks playa. And then, ya por fin, los intros. Wow. Wow, who is this truck? It's different now. Ya se va a ver bien diferente la güey. The front suspension, we're just changing what? The controllers or what?
Yeah, the upper control arm because it's busted already, and then the lower control arm because it's busted as well. And these U-bolts.
Right? Oh, what the fuck? It has U-bolts?
Yeah. Just because I already switched this one time. It broke. You can obviously see the original ones, like real thin.
Oh, yeah, no mames.
Plus I had to upgrade. And,
So ya para que estén bien de los dos lados.
Yeah, just to be a little bit more stiff.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be a bitch.
I know. I don't like control arms. God damn. Damn, te vale madre. And then aquí están las little parts.
Yeah.
Wow. Chiflado.
Oh.
You.
The fuck?
¿Quién más? Es el latino. This is not the same.
Sometimes you gotta improvise. It's a 16 or 17.
Or should be none of the above. Sir, you suck. ¿Ahora sí va a ser o no?
Yep.
Tampoco es.
For sure. It is.
Yeah, I'm kidding. No, bitch, it really isn't. I was kidding, but it really isn't. Ahora sí es 19, no mames, ya sí es 29.
There you go.
20 no puede ser. Hey, what the fuck happened here? I don't know. Let me see the other side. No, pues es porque también ya la edad, right? Tan, tararán. A ver qué tan hard va a estar.
Very hard.
It is?
Well, it's kind of inconvenient.
Why?
Because you can't put a fucking dowel in here with the gun, and it's like you gotta do it all
Manual, like with the ratchet and shit?
Yeah, basically.
Ugh. But other than that,
It's too hard. But that's what sucks.
then that doesn't sound too bad. As long as, okay, so if you're taking off the lower control arm, no, it's not gonna be that bad. Like, it's not like those cars that you struggle just to take out the control arm. Or we are gonna struggle.
Probably.
Ugh.
Probably.
I hate suspension work, but no, I love it. Ah. Ahora sí puedo usar la racha. The electric ratchet, or no cabe?
No, it's okay.
You want to be a manual labor? You want to feel like you're in the 60s, like the truck? No, I'm kidding. I don't know if in the 60s. Was an impact around in the 60s already? Just not as advanced now?
Yeah, I'm not sure to be honest.
Yeah. 1738. Hey. Huh? Yeah, I thought you noticed that. Oh, yeah. Como si nada.
That's
Con
leverage.
pan, con mantequilla. Look. Look how Carlos likes to run his cars. No brakes. Fuck our lives. ¿Eso tienes taller, mijo? Now we're gonna do the same fucking shit on this side down. Why does this... Is this all rusted? What the fuck? Look. Bitch. No mames, Carlos.
That was probably the noise I was.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna tell you.
Yeah, I think they might have.
They should, no?
Where's your gloves?
I don't wanna wear gloves. It's okay, this I don't mind. Paint is different.
Okay.
I should probably still wear it, but no. It just doesn't. Ahora le toca a él part 2. You don't know if it's gonna fit or what?
Yeah. I don't know.
So you might need a new caliper?
Not just a caliper.
Or change shit or what?
I got the wheel right there.
Okay, come on. Ooh. Got it? Got it or? Damn, hoy traes suerte o qué pedo? We came for tires and now we're looking at wheels. That's not bad. 20 by 12? What does 12? This, right?
From left to right.
That wouldn't even fit.
It would just be like maybe sticking out maybe like an inch on yours. So like your body line probably right here.
I'm not gonna like that shit.
Yeah. I think the biggest you could probably do on your car is probably like 20 by 11.
Okay. And this one's kind of low-key nice. Como niña. Los wheels que le robaron hace pinche 10 años que no supera. La pinche llantota ahí está. Y una in the back.
That's a big ass tire.
Okay, we're back to the shit. And then what are you gonna do for the back?
Okay. On is another, so be careful.
It could fall.
No, the springs pop out.
The spring? What the fuck are those things?
It's called shims.
Why does it have shims?
Because these here, like, it's for alignment purposes.
Oh. That's how they used to do them?
Yeah.
Back in the day?
So that's like to push it out,
Or
pull it in. The camber, basically.
I'm just gonna hold it here in case.
This has to go here. This has to go on here. Nicely. Hopefully that's enough shims. If not, I'm gonna have to get some more, but they'll let us know at the alignment shop.
Touch it too much.
Go down? No, go ahead.
Today we fucking just left. We left it at what it was. And so we're back on it. But it's more interesting today. This brake kit this Brembo brake kit. This one, right? Let me show you. That's all it is. Right? So we kind of stopped yesterday because we didn't know if we were already going to do this or not. But we kind of already decided that we are going to just, might as well, if you're already, let me show you. Look, if we're already in here, it just didn't make sense to put the old spindle and the old rotor if we want to put the big brakes. So we might as well just do the big brakes. But for today, we're only gonna finish the suspension, and then as far as like putting the spindle on and the hub assembly, but we're not gonna put the rotors and the brake calipers yet because we still have to modify them. So at least we'll get that done today. Like as if you can see here, we've already kind of modified this one. This one's already set, but we're gonna switch this out because we want something that's just flush and that it'll look nice and it'll make sure that everything stays in place.
So now we just gotta put this together.
Like so, like that. Oh, wrong.
Other way.
Like so, like that.
Yeah. So I like this kit because it has a new modern spindle or bearing. It's all in one, and if it ever goes bad, it's just like real easy, like 3 bolts and there it comes out. Versus like the old shit, you gotta press it out, you gotta do this, you gotta do that, and now nothing does. I like this kit. And plus, well, because I can put the 6 pistons.
The big Brembo brakes. Yeah, let's be fucking honest. Look at this hoe. Like no mames. Mean asshole. Your truck fucking hates you, eh? She hates you. She said, oh yeah, bitch, you wanna take care of me now? Let me fucking make you struggle. Bitch. This fucking ball joint doesn't help the new spindle. It doesn't just go in. So we're gonna actually use the ball joint that comes with the kit. We didn't want to. We thought it would work with the one on this one, but it didn't because of the width of this. Like it doesn't let us sit where it needs to sit. So we're gonna press that one out and press this one in. It worked. We thought it wasn't gonna fit, but it worked. It went right in. So we should be good, hopefully. Good. We're gonna. Oh shit. This way?
Yeah.
Is it even going?
Yeah. Oh, no. No. See what screw that is.
Why don't you want to just use this castle?
I did.
Oh.
I just want that one.
Oh, why do you need me to see what's
The
going
valve that goes to that.
Huh?
The valve that goes to that.
Oh. Okay, this is the thing that came with the CPP spindle kit, so I have to also change it on this. So I'm gonna take this out and put it in here. Like so, like that. Like so, like that. More? Just trying to use that to push it. ¿Por qué no usas pinzas? ¿Ah?
¿Por qué?
Ya.
Porque no está la mala vida.
Oh, vergas. Eso sí salió muy cabrón.
Type shit.
¿Si te gusta la mala vida? A mí también. You sure you don't want me to bring you bean sauce? Okay.
Sure, in the comments are gonna be talking shit.
Huh?
I said, I'm sure in the comments are gonna be talking shit.
For real. I'm like, what the fuck is he doing?
Yeah, look at that.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Well, to the next video.
Next time, I mean, in the next video, we're basically gonna put the rotors and the brake kit, basically the fucking brake kit, the big old Brembo brake kit.
6 piston.
Oh, I had
16-inch rotor.
he had to make sure he said that.
Yeah, that's what it is.
It is. It is.